The hybrid, selling you, trying to sleep with the beast. Daniel in the lion's den, still drop dirty. After popping eyes, it's the damn day just to get violated. Ever seen a roach with babies have babies in a hood like whatever? We in this bitch together. Once had a hoe, I had money for the room, so we did the Humpty Hump in a Burger King bathroom. Long she can't fit undercover. The way she slurs, she's the quicker picker upper, no job. Dropped out in a felon on the neck, made a thick white bitch named Helen, 300 pounds. Maybe more like 280. Had a couple babies, 270 give or take it. But ain't secure in a bag, and to fight the baby dad. To the stop fighting, so I got what's Once in the dark, always in the light. Hair was nasty, you think she had hair lice. Why try and hold it to your eye? Put your life on the line, hang about to dry. Trying to keep my hands clean, out here ride dirty. Shit get messy, I'm buckled to 30. High tide, gain off the urban hammer. Swim towards the current, system trying to drown me. Stain your record like Clorox and Durks. Spin cycle, have more times for one, up the slums. Nobody gave me nothing, had temptation, so I hustled David Ruffin. Papa was a rolling stone, so I sold rocks to him. Beam up Scotty, we got a lift off Houston. Left my sack in my clothes, my chest it alone. Ain't ball in my jeans, they say it tastes like soap. 25 peep show when I enter the booth. Off the blow when I leave, might slip if you do. Cover your ears if your kids, we at round 2. Fuck a bitch 2 times, call it deja vu. Fuck a stripper for some change, actual change. Down panties, ankles. Okay, you wanna hear the story? Left the house in a hurry. I was in hunky dory. Got some dancing from Lori. Left my wallet at home. Ain't wanna hear that story. In the car, had change from laundry. Had to wash clothes anyway. Told her I'm sorry. Slow anyway before you was born. Said give me a moment. Jumped on it and bounced. No fabric softener, cause I was hard. Then she gave me hit. Had me moaning and groaning. Guess who I seen do my laundry next morning?